Today, we will learn how use if function in Excel. Are you analyzing the data manually and entering in spreadsheet? There are two conditions. An A+ student gets a 100% scholarship, and a non-A+ gets a 50% scholarship as shown in the table below. Now let's try with if function and see the results.
헤어나올 수 없어 한참 동안 널 바라보며 난 너의 마음속 유영하는 듯 대밤새 너의 생각에 못 잠나 홀린 듯 너에게 난 Wanna dive into your ocean 더 파랗게 물든 나의 마음은 It's ocean love Feelings I got There's something about you and I 서로를 바라봤던 그 순간에 내 눈에 너를 닿아도 My bad 영원할지 모르는 이 순간을 견뎌나가고 있어 With the ocean love
Just drag to last row. Let's try with another example. Table contains names and their respective grades for Excel 101 course. Complete column D, using only if formula. So there are two conditions. Given the first condition is grade 60 or higher, then it will pass. And the second condition is grade less than 60, then it will fail. Now let's try with if function and see the results.